Hello, welcome to the automated Lucas G-Iron mix system feeding area. Let us take you on a visit to the heart of an installation. Here we go. We are now in Morbihan in Brittany, where the iron mix system is used to feed more than 250 heads of cattle, 150 dairy cows and 100 heifers every day. An average of 18 distribution operations take place on a daily basis, with 7 different recipes formulated. The process begins at 3 a.m. and ends at 6 p.m. The system is comprised of 6 feed tables: alfalfa, hay, straw, grass silage, corn, green feed, 5 tower silos for correctors and concentrates, and 2 molasses pumps. The installation is 100% electric and self-sufficient. Users are able to control recipes using the management software X-Management IC. This tool enables users to devise recipes comprising different ingredients for separate groups of animals. What we are currently seeing is the mixer being filled with corn silage. Once the correct quantity of silage has been obtained, the system evaluates a mixing time in accordance with the fibrousness of the material before switching automatically to a new ingredient until preparation of the portion entered by the farmer is complete. During this operation, storers are loaded using a telescopic handler, either equipped with a silage cutter, thus avoiding any issues linked to the corn heating up, or with a grapple bucket for other materials. Operators spend an average of 35 minutes each day filling the different feed tables. The system is comprised of a 15 or 20 meter cubed horizontal paddle stationary mixer, or an 8 to 24 meter cube vertical auger stationary mixer. The iron mix system from Lucas G draws on more than 30 years of expertise in mixed feed rations. Stationary mixers provide optimal levels of consistency, with a 3% deviation for each 60 meters distributed. Depending on the type of rations and the group of animals, the X-Management IC software will determine the total weight to be loaded into the 2.5 meters cubed robot, with a conveyor belt used for loading. When the iron mix system is not active, it can be connected automatically to its loading station, which is located next to the mixer's drive motor. Now, let's take a look at distribution. In order for it to know its position and its location within the operation, the distribution robot follows a wire on the ground for progress and scans RFID tags for information on its location. Each tag scanned by the robot is used to determine its position within the installation, e.g. entering a building, the start of a group of animals, the end of a group of animals, etc., thus enabling it to trigger the right action at the right time. Depending on the group and the weight of feed ration in the robot, the iron mix system will adapt its distribution speed between the group start tag and the group end tag in order for a consistent line of material to be deposited along the feeding table for the given group. The robot can be equipped with up to 4 125-litre distribution hoppers in order to distribute correctors and concentrates alongside feed rations. When the robot is not distributing, it moves at a speed of 7 km per hour and is equipped with a fodder pushback blade used to gather the feed ration closer to the feeding rack. When used in this way, the robot will begin distributing at 3 a.m, waking up a first group and thus enabling a smoother transition to the milking robot. Since this system was introduced, the farmer has become aware of a number of benefits, including a higher ingestion rate by cows owing to the freshness and the availability of the feed ration, and as a consequence, a significant drop in the refusal rate at the table. We are now coming to the last stage of our visit, where we will take a look at distribution in another building used exclusively for heifers. The wire guidance and tag identification system is an evolutive solution for farms with several buildings without the need for a variety of fittings. The heifer building is closed off, thanks to the compact size of the robot. It only requires an alley width of 3 meters in order to execute a half turn. A minimum of 2.3 meters is required for distribution without executing a half turn. The distribution conveyor enables the robot to distribute just as effectively to the left as to the right of the feed alley. That brings us to the end of our visit to the installation. We hope you enjoyed your immersion in the world of the iron mix system. We hope to see you soon.